Could you imagine if in today's world we did not have the technology to share our thoughts and ideas online on YouTube? I would not be able to sit here and make YouTube videos about topics like game development, programming, and soon to be philosophy. Hi, my name is Dave. I'm an indie game developer from Romania as well as a programmer. By the time I'm releasing this video, I have not yet made videos about psychology and philosophy, but they're definitely on the list. I have a huge list of videos about this topic that I want to make, and this is what I want my channel to be about. This is what the channel is about. This is what Dave is about. So that's what I do. I talk about those ideas, and I also like to share my life experiences. I'm only 22 at this time, but god damn, there's so much stuff to learn all the time, so many questions. So many things change from one year to another in both programming and in life in general. So stick around, see if you like any of my videos, see if you can learn anything new from my videos, and maybe see if you can view something from another perspective. That is how you gain wisdom. Also, I'm present on Facebook and Twitter, and if you want to talk to me, I'm always up for it. I like conversations in the comment sections and on Facebook. If you wanna talk, sure, let me know, and we can talk about basically anything. Outros are always so weird, man. I never know how to do outros. Can we do one of these things? Man, that's just weird. Bye, I guess.